Welcome to the Custom Vantage web training video on using categories to link to other places. Now, typically a category displays the contents of itself, which could be subcategories or could be products. In our previous video, we created this new category called My Category. So we're going to go into the admin and we're going to edit the category called My Category. And we're going to use this category in order to link to something else. So here's my category. I'm going to edit it. Now within a category, we have this neat little option under Menu tab that says use a custom link. And if I check this box, I can, instead of having the category do what it normally does, which is contain subcategories or products, I can have it behave as a link to something else. And whatever that new URL is, I can put here. Now this URL could be another website, it could be a PDF document on your own site, etc. So just to demonstrate it, I will go as an example to another site. Okay, so this is the URL to the other site. And I will paste that here and hit Save Changes. Now, if I go out to my store, if I now click on the My category, you will see that it takes me to that other site. So that's really beautiful, except for the fact in this case, since I am going to another site, it is my preference to leave a tab or window open in my site. So in the admin, I will go and edit that category again. And this time I'm going to go to the same spot and I'm going to check the box that says open link in a new window. Now, depending on the browser settings, it will open in a new tab instead of a new window, which is the default for modern browsers. But now when I click, you will notice that it opened a new tab. So the customer still has a tab open in my site. So again, categories are very flexible and very easy to use, can be used as a standard category or can be used as a link to another place or another page. The same thing can be used on my own site with custom pages. So I've got this custom page here called What's Included. And if I edit this page, you'll see it's called What's Included. The friendly URL is what's-included, so I'll copy that. It also shows up in the bottom menu. Now to show you how that works, at the bottom we have this link for what's included. When I click on it, the path is my website / what's included. So if this is where I want that category to go, when I'm editing the category, I will simply put that URL in. Now, since it's on my own site, I no longer want it to go opening in a new window, and I don't need the part that's in front of it. I don't need the full URL. I just need the / what's included. Save that change. Now when I go to my site, if I click on my category, there I am at that custom page within my site. So it gives you the flexibility to have a page within your site that has all kinds of information that may not necessarily be easily represented in a traditional category, but still be able to have that category linked to it. And of course, you could always put that category with an icon onto the home page as well. It doesn't just have to be in the left menu. I hope you found that easy. Thank you again for choosing Custom Vantage Web.